The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Manners and respect the people. I am going to do a video for here to say that valley. Because big woman thing we deserve road blood. Too long, man. You understand? With the too long bridging. I make a video 2016. And all the man them come do a throw river dirt in the wall them. Hey, my respect, I won't be disrespectful. But you see, as a nation, road, water, light, these things are supposed to be like essential services. These things should not have nothing to do with politics. And if you don't vote, you don't get no road. I lose confidence in this voting system in Jamaica until it look bad. You understand? This road is a bypass because the main road break off around there, so you understand? All them a boss. Most people in this community have to be using motorbikes to traverse these ugly terrain. You understand? This area is a Blue Mountain Cuff area. You understand what I'm trying to say? Me nah talk no explicit, me nah disrespect nobody. You understand? But it hurt me hard. You understand? You know, say, we have people who are elected, we're supposed to have sense and know, say, infrastructure is the order of the day in Jamaica. And I'm not just talking about my road from Mark Bay to Cedar Valley. Check most of the roads them in Jamaica and see if some of them are uglier than this. God bless the citizens them in this area. Some of them get up and they use barrow and shovel and pull up the wall them because it is very dangerous. You understand what I'm trying to say? Very dangerous. The kids them have a problem coming home at night from school because there is no road. The taxis are not coming to Cedar Valley because there are no road. Come on, man. As I said, I will not do any explicit. Although I am a man who love the explicit. You understand what I'm trying to say? But may I tell you the truth? Them things are total disrespect. Me never plan to cut that video till me come off of the bike. You understand? Because I don't know. In God's name, man. You understand? I don't believe in no politics. I believe in Jamaica. I believe in fixing our island. Make it a beautiful home. You understand? So much people left Jamaica and gone overseas and just need to visit back their island. You understand? There's no road. You understand? And the thing is, I grew up in the city. You understand? I have to take for myself from that ugly city. You understand? Because the city is so ugly, it make my body crawl. Me not go around you. You understand? The people them are so, wow, my brother, are so vicious. You understand? The people them are so vicious. Manners and respect. Alright. You understand? It is not right. It is not right. You understand? The price of coffee has fallen dramatically. As if whosoever is doing accounts in government have no damn sense. Because you should be improving the value of this product. But yet still, the product has been devalued. So comes are the infrastructures to my community. I wish I could speak for every community, but I'm speaking for my community. You understand? In my community, I have fresh water, fresh air, fresh everything. I have peace. There's no crime, there's no violence in my community. Only one thing that's upsetting me in my community and other residents is this piece of bad road or bad infrastructure. Oh God, man. Well, me have to big up the APS, although them thieves still. But at them come chop down the tree them and walk up the place so the place look so bright. You understand? I now vote again, you know? And if a man come on me yard, I tell a man straight to the brother. But suck your woman, you know? Big man thing, you know? Yeah, man. Because I don't so me I put my fucking finger in the info. You see me? Them sick now pussy all these days. Sorry about the experience. Oh God. I just get carried away. Hush, hush, hush. If I could cut it out, I will cut it out. But this is not right. You know? The road is too bad. Ah, my driver! See there? The driver suffer what they ain't crash. Or what they ain't crash and right off the bus because in dropping a patrol and me I tell you say, by in dropping a patrol a terrible thing. You understand? Hold them brother. It's alright still. You understand? And I'll show you how short the journey is from Trinity, you know. You understand? I doubt if it's 10-minute drive or 5-minute drive. But normally, if you traversing in a vehicle, it take you all up to an hour, half an hour. Serious thing. You understand? And I like say, boy, I don't know. St. Thomas, Western St. Thomas, going to Cedar Valley from Marantby and Yallas. Lead the road. Yesterday, look on this man here. Yeah. Bad road shake up the whole in front end. Oh God, man. Eh? Come on, man. Jamaica can do better than this. You hear me tell you? Jamaica make me feel away. Not Jamaica, the people we are run Jamaica. Because Jamaica nice. They can tell the world that Jamaica nice. You hear me tell you? Jamaica nice. But we have some people that run this, you see. They forgot prison. They forgot prison. I can tell you, I make a video 2016. You understand? And they said the road I go fix. See there? 2020. Yes, farmer man. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. At 2020 now. Down to all my house me soon done. And I just 2 years ago me start. You hear me say? Yeah, man, I feel the better, man. Road is the cheapest thing in the government. Road is the cheapest thing. Because you not import the material. The material they right in Jamaica, yeah. So how comes Jamaica now on a road? No, man, people. No road, no vote. And let me tell you too, me not vote for the Bandulo ID. If me not get me national ID, me not vote. This is foolishness. You understand? You see when you vote, them have a time when you go at the tax office or anyone at the government agency. It's that they know who you vote for. And when you go there, a big sabotage. Hey, Jamaica can't run so. Me say Jamaica can't run so, Reggie. Look on the road that me have to travel. Me have to buy a bike. Me have to carry. You see me now have to carry. Me have to buy a bike. Because it costs me a house, land and mountain to maintain a car. On them road there. You understand? You have to go examination depot. You have to this, you have to that, you have to devil knows what, Reggie. It can't work so, blood. You understand? It can't work so. Alright, now me talk for me heart. Like, breathe me. You understand? It make me look like say people in a high places are educated are some fools. Educated dunce. I'm gonna say educated thief for a white collar. You understand? Man, if you got a prison virgin. Look here. No, look here. NWA, National Blood Clot Work Agency. Hey, Steve Shaw. You know this year, you know. You have to come off a radio and go about your business, you know. Big woman thing, you know. You come talk about roads. Come and St. Thomas. Come and Cedar Valley. You understand? Government supposed to put things in place. So that the citizens of this country survive, Virgin. You understand? Look what me have here right back. You pray me and say, can you imagine if I drive me, I drive? Trouble there. Sure. Rastafari. Hey. You go post the video, you know. But you know me I say. Me no business who want comment. Me no business who want rare. Cause I not talk politics. I talk Jamaica. I talk patois then. I talk Jamaica. God, this is disrespect to taxpayers' money, bro. Never show you. And not even 10-minute drive. Right from down there, so. I heard them say you can't fix 10 minutes what I road. Eh? Eh? Not even 10 minutes what I road, blood. Them thing have cut out, blood. Me a debate fan, brother. More I road to go me yard. You hear me telling you? More I road to go me yard. Me go see if what I want a tractor we park up in a police station, back at a police station. How much money you pay to tractor park up and not do nothing? Eh? Oh no, they not do nothing. Stevie Shy have to come and send them as you chat too much. Me used to have respect for you, but me lose respect for you all out. Can you come and read and tell the people one bag of hypocrisy, see that Valley Primary School, our nice school. You understand? But the road, brethren, the road, Jesus Christ. Me say from I was born, I never see road back so. All this them place a patch up and people use shovel and borrow and pull them up. Because the people them have ambition more than government. Oh, Rastafari. Yo, me general. Boy, me look up by bad road, man. Alright, my boss. Yo, me I tell you, say the road bad, no bomb buckler. Oh, God. Sorry about the bad road, man. Sorry, man. But sometimes you get carried away, blood. Them things hurt me heart, blood. Sure. So what? If you have the crime and violence to get good road, cut out the bullshit, man. Cut it out. Check the status. The community where we come from, not even shot, bro. Not even rape. Not even robbery. Not even murder. Me say not even domestic dispute. So why we can't get road blood? Eh? Look here. Jesus Christ. Me say me never skill. If me never there train rider. Me could even let go one and ride. But because me train in a riding, me make sure go certify myself in a riding. You understand? Me go certify myself because me have to find some way to go home. What about the old people them? What about the sick people them? What about the children? Jesus God, you see how long me a travel, you can't see no vehicle. Me said the road bad. When you come around me and say, see that, but everybody say they're not going up there because the road bad. You understand? Oh God, man. Well, me just make that video here because me tell you the truth. They can't take it no more blood. The man then come and mark out so sitting on the road. When me looking at the Migla road, it's a big white hex, me see. Me ask everybody what this mean. Nobody can tell me what the hex in the road mean. Obviously hex means say no road now go fix. Well, me I make that video here, me I lick out. But me show the hex me I talk about. If you look on the road, you see some will go white hex. You see me? It's not right, man. It's not right. Yo. Oh, yo. And me cut it out, man. People have deserve better than this. At the end, the man come and come here about no politics. We never pick up census to regularize the country. You understand? You don't come and tell me about food. Hey, I make one and come here and say, badness no start for you. Yeah, hear me, brother? You don't go on about the things that long, man. See the X them I tell about. See them in the road. Our BX come right up to the square. As if them I tell you, say we're not fixing, come nowhere to the square. See the best piece of road, yeah. The best piece of road right, yeah. And it has stopped right at the blood clots. Well, that's a video we make. Oh.
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Now, as a Jamaican, many times throughout my lifetime, whether on or off social media, I hear persons say some things that gives me the understanding that they're saying that only when the day of election is nearby, that's when you can get the attention of politicians within the country of Jamaica. Alright, let me try and say it as how a Jamaican would say it. You see me? Only when election day is nearby, that is when you can get the attention of the politicians them in Jamaica. Sounds almost as how a Jamaican would say it, right? Or probably exactly. But anyways, many times I hear persons on or off social media complain about how bad the road is within their communities and all these things. You see me? Viewers, subscribers, I'm not implying anything. I'm merely telling you some things that I heard with my own 2 ears. You see me? Therefore, I'm not the type of person encouraging anything, you know. I'm just saying that, you know, if these things are the way as to how they are saying it, it is not right. You understand? You're here to represent and serve the public. Therefore, you're supposed to make sure that the public is satisfied with your service. And that's how I look at it. You understand me? But anyways, that's just my opinion, viewers and subscribers, you know. I'm just telling you what I think, you see me? Yes, so I just presented a video to you that is out on social media, and according to what I've been said about this video on social media is that this video is about a person who is riding or driving a motorcycle through a community within the parish of St. Thomas, that's of the country of Jamaica. And it is said that the person who is riding or driving the motorcycle is pointing out how bad the road is within the community that the person is riding the motorcycle. Now, I didn't see the face of the person, but I can hear the person in the background of the video talking. You understand what I'm saying to you? And you know, the reason why I say ride or drive a motorcycle is because some person say I ride a motorcycle, some person say I drive a motorcycle, you know, while some person say both. You understand? But I'm just trying to make it be very clear what this video is about, you see me? And trying to make you have a full understanding what's going on in this video that I just presented to you, you know? And I bring this video to you because this video is getting a little buzz on social media, and I bring it to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, this person said some things in this video that gave me the understanding that this person is saying no vote if no road. You see me? Yeah, basically it's like he's saying that you know, he's not going to vote if the road within the community that he's riding through is not fixed. That's how I get the understanding. Alright? But anyways, let me know what you think, yeah, viewers and subscribers. Here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. And big up and respect to each and every one. Big up to the person riding the motorcycle or driving the motorcycle. You understand? Yeah, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man, hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.